Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how I made ChatGPT a professional affiliate marketing coach and employed its services for an extortionate amount of money every month. So I'll explain that. Little disclaimer, of course, I didn't pay any real money, but I'll show you the prompting that I used and why it works so well. And I will also give you a really great niche that came up from the prompting. And what I'm actually going to do is a series of videos using um, using that prompting and using the sort of coaching system that I've set up, the prompt system. So I'm looking forward to showing you this. It really will cause you to get better results with ChatGPT, and you'll see why. Before we get into it, do check out the link below if you're interested in building affiliate sites that make money, because I've put 23 hours on the clock, and then the price is going up. So the price is going up more than 10 times. If you're interested in building niche sites, we will be talking about that in this video. I'll show you a fantastic niche for it, and if you're interested in building them from scratch and exactly what to do with the SEO, with the content, how to actually write it, how to get ranked, do check it out. You get a complete 4-week coaching program for well under $50, but it is going up to over $200 as soon as this timer hits zero. So I've put the timer on one more time. Do check it out. The video on this page will explain everything you get. When you get in there, when you get in, you'll be able to get started straight away, because there's videos to go through and a full recording of every session as well. So if you're looking at building affiliate sites, you will really love that. It guides you through step by step of how to do everything, and then you just follow through, complete the tasks, do that each week, and you'll have an affiliate site up and out there that will make you money. Okay, so let's get on with what am I talking about? Paying ChatGPT an extortionate amount of money for coaching. Let me show you this. I'll just swap the screen over, guys. Here we go. One second. Here we really go. This should load up now. Okay, so let me show you this. And this will really help with, let me just give you a bit of background on this really quickly. The main thing that you want to do with ChatGPT 3 and 4 is really work on your prompting. Now, your prompts are obviously what you type into ChatGPT, but by angling them and by putting more information in your prompts, you can get far better answers. So it's that age-old sort of IT computer saying, rubbish in, rubbish out. I think that's the saying. And it's true on ChatGPT. If you just ask it general questions, it will do really well for you, but it won't give you its full potential if you really angle it. So what am I talking about when you angle it? I'm talking about thinking about the position that you're in and what you actually want ChatGPT, in this case ChatGPT-4, to do for you. So if you frame the actual AI and you frame the situation that you're in and you frame the actual goal that you want, you will get far better answers. So here's what I'm talking about. I've actually put a prompt in. You are now my affiliate marketing coach for affiliate sites. You have been paid $30,000 a month to teach me how to build an affiliate income using niche sites as quickly as possible. The main skill you have is speed in picking niches that rank well, and also niches that I can rank quickly. Okay, so you can see there, I've sort of put in a dummy figure. You've been paid $30,000 a month, but look how it changes its answers. I've put, give me my first task, and it says, welcome to your affiliate marketing coaching program. I'm excited to help you build a successful affiliate income using niche sites. As your first task, we'll focus on niche research and selection. The goal is to identify a profitable and low competition niche that you can rank quickly. So it gives you good advice here. It gives you, list down your interests and passions, conduct keyword research, analyze competition, and evaluate profitability. But then I went further, and then finalize your niche. But then I went further, and where it says list down your interests and passions. Start by making a list of topics that you're passionate about or have a deep interest in. I asked it to give me an Excel sheet format to help me do this. So Microsoft Excel. And it went and did this. Certainly, here's a simple Excel sheet format that you can use to organize your interests and passions while conducting niche research. And you can see here interest or passion, related keywords, keyword search volume, keyword competition, top competitors, competitor domain authority, page authority, and then potential affiliate um, uh, programs, commission rate, profit. I was just reading this, so it's got it all there explained. Okay, so that's a good Excel. But then I went and actually said, give me another example if my interest was fitness. So it's got fitness here, and it starts giving me examples. So what you would then do is angle it towards your interest and get it to do the work for you. But I actually spotted a really, really great niche here: vegan protein powder. So I went and did research on Mangle's tools. That's the tool I use, and I actually told my affiliate marketing coach here, the AI, I'm doing my keyword research with mangles.com and I want to pick the niche vegan protein powder. The main key phrase is vegan protein powder and has a search volume of 51,800 a month with a keyword difficulty of 49 out of 100. And I asked for its opinion, and it gave me, based on this information, this would be a good niche as long as this stuff checks out. Okay. Then I went on and asked, give me some ideas for affiliate programs for the vegan protein powder niche and commission rates. And it actually went out and searched for all these affiliate programs: Amazon Associates, Vega, My Protein, Sun Warrior, Garden of Life, and gave me options for an affiliate program. So you can see how quick it can pick niches. Now, I can tell you, I can't share the screen because Mangle's tools won't allow it, but I can tell you that there's loads of vegan protein powder brands that have low competition. Loads of them on Amazon if you just want something easy, and if you want to try out other affiliate programs or do verses and so on, you've got a lot of different options here. But that's how quick it can actually angle and pre-frame the conversation, if you will, and your input to get really, really great results. And you know, the best thing here, I can then ask it if I needed how to do this stuff. So I can actually say, all you do, guys, is you do this at number 2. Give me a brief, oops, brief but step-by-step guide on how to do the below. And here we go. Here's a brief step-by-step guide on conducting keyword research using Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SME Rush. So it's actually going and it's giving me the different tools and showing me exactly how to do it. And it's also remembered, you can see here, it's also remembered that I told it that I want my main niche to be vegan protein powder. So if you, in this case, pre-frame AI as your affiliate marketing coach, and then you do it all in one conversation. Remember, one of the benefits of AI is it will remember what you're saying to it and it will build its answers from that. So as you go through, it will be able to help you. So you can see here. And then, of course, you could get the data if you're using Ahrefs or SME Rush, and you can ask it, like I did with the Mangles tools, what its opinion is, and also analyze the competition and ask its opinion. So there's how to pre-frame, how to get better answers for ChatGPT, but the main thing I want to show you is a really, really great niche for you: vegan protein powder, and that's how you can find some great niches. Of course, you can also angle it. I'm going to be doing some more videos as we go along here and sort of show you it working and go through this process with the AI. But if you just wanted it to pick niches for you, you could also pre-frame that as well. So I hope that helps. I hope to see you on the coaching. You'll find the link below if you're interested in that. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you're going to use the vegan protein powder niche, do let me know. Or give us a thumbs up if you're going to use it. I'd really, really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.